This is the News Chronicle sports review. We do this every week. My name remains Oladimeji Daniel Adeoye. Starting with the Bundesliga, it was Bayer Leverkusen who held Bayern Munich to a 1-1 draw away from home. And of course, in other games, we saw Borussia Dortmund demolishing Buchin by 4-0. In that game, Guirassy scored twice and Karim Adeyemi produced 2 assists. Other games were St. Pauli winning, Borussia Mönchengladbach winning, and of course RB Leipzig winning. As it stands down, Bayern Munich still top on the log without a lose after 5 games. Now moving ahead to the La Liga, where Barcelona tested their first defeat of the season, and it came away at Osasuna, where they were beaten 4-2. In that game, it was unbelievable for the boys of Hansi Flick, who encountered their first emphatic loss of the season. And in that game, Yamin Laman, the 17-year-old prodigy, scored, making his 4th goal after 8 games of the season. But let's also talk about the Real Madrid game. That was the Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid. That is the Madrid derby. That game was also a game well odds were locked. Real Madrid were held to a 1-1 draw by Atletico Madrid. After Eddie Militao scored, Korea also grabbed an equalizer for Atletico Madrid. So as it stands on the log of La Liga, Barcelona tops with 21 points. That is 3 points above Real Madrid. It might be redemption at last for Juventus, who return to the top of the log in the Saria A after beating Johnny by 3-0. I believe they will be shaping up to win their first league title, probably after 3 to 4 seasons. They have been absent in that. Yes, of course, Inter Milan also had a slim victory over Udinese in the weekend. AC Milan also won their game. As it stands now, AC Milan and Inter Milan are piling pressure on Juventus, who sits on the top of the Serie A with just a point. To the English Premier League, on Saturday we saw that Chelsea won Brighton by 4-0, and in that game we saw Cole Palmer scoring 4 goals. All of the goals scored by Chelsea were orchestrated by Cole Palmer in that game. The man has made 30 goals contribution in this year. That is unbelievable from Cole Palmer. Yes, Chelsea are now reshaping after producing a brilliant result under their new manager Enzo Maresca, and their fans have started to believe. Another one is Arsenal. Arsenal also won 4-2, and it was a brilliant game for Mikel Arteta, who returns to winning ways after being held to a 1-1 draw, or forced to a 1-1 draw away at Manchester City. Liverpool, who goes to the top of the log. They beat Wolves to return to the top of the log. It was an encounter that ended 2-1 in favor of the Red. In that game, we saw Ibrahima Kanouté scoring his first Premier League goal, and Mo Salah converted from the spot kick to give Liverpool the lead. So as it stands now in the English Premier League, Liverpool lead on that log. They remain the team who have had the most win in the league, and we just want to say thank you for joining us. You can always follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, and of course Instagram. You can also go there to predict our matches. We have prizes for you, so you can also stay tuned. See you next week. Thank you.
Nike. Just do it.